Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to build visualization map. Now, for example, I have sales sold in some countries here and based on the continent or the region that I have here. But here I can map all the planet or all the world based on my cells. For example, I need to go to insert, then I need to go to map. After that, I'm going to select this one. Everything going to be clarified based on what I did. For example, I don't need this to increase the space of my map. And after that, I'm going to add this tab, this to be increased. Now I can see my cells. The deep blue, that means the high cells. The light blue means low cells, but this is doesn't make any sense. But what happens if I make this visualize it, this dynamic and visualize it more clarified for specific countries? Then I need to remove this one, delete this one. Then I need to go to this data again. After that, I'm gonna select this type of data or the region of data continent. Then I'm gonna copy it. Then I'm gonna come into this area. Then I'm gonna paste it. Then here, I need to go to data. Then when I select data, go to remove duplicate. Then I'm going to select this one. Here, he's going to ask me, does your data included header? Yes, included header. Then I need to check this. Or if I have no header, then I need to remove this. But because I have header, then I'm going to check this to be included in my data. After I say okay, then all duplicate going to be removed from my data. Then everything going to be okay. Here, I'm going to name this one as region. And here, I'm going to select data visualization or data validation. Then I need to go to data again, to my data again. After that, I'm going to hit validation here. Then he's going to ask me based on what? I'm going to say based on the list that I have here. Then I'm going to add this list without region because this is the header. Then when I select this, I'm going to say, okay. Now all my data came here. Then there is no clear space here. I'm going to clarify this location by add borders in addition to add colors. Now, what happened with this one? I'm going to add. Sorry. I need to add colors from here. Sorry about it. Now, everything okay now. But here, if I need to change this data, there is no change here. What I'm going to add more here, I'm going to add something that's called country and sales number and sales. But here, I have no relationship. Still, I have no relationship. I did not match my data correctly in order to build dynamic for my data. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come to this column and I'm going to say I need to insert one. Now my column has added. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to create the matches or what that match together. For example, here I'm going to ask a question: does North America is same located in North Africa or for this continent or this country? And I need to add $sign to keep my selection same for all rows. Then you're going to say no value. Then I'm going to check with this one, North America. Okay. This, I need to add equal. Then true. Yes, because this is North America. I need to go to home, then I need to change color, this color to very black. Now everything okay with that with North America, and also I need to bold the color to be more clear. Now, now I need to include my selection for all my tape. Now, for example, does Africa same North America? America? No, false. Then here I'm gonna come to the country. I'm gonna say I'm gonna filter my data based on the continent. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna say equal filter. Then I'm gonna hit filter. Then you're gonna ask me what the array that you have. Then I'm gonna say this is my array. Then he's gonna ask me another question, included what? This is my condition that I built, included this one. When I hit enter, all my countries that associate with North America came here. For example, if I change this to another country, for example, Asia, now all Asia sales gonna come to my selection. For example, change this to Africa or somewhere, then Africa include Tunisia, Libya, Algeria, Egypt. Now, based on this, I need to shade this one. Then I need to go to insert. After that, I need to go to maps. Then I need to select this map. Now, this map is clarified in my data. Now, my data is found in only Africa. For example, if I needed to change Africa to Asia, what's gonna happen? Only Asia gonna come here. But here, I don't know exactly what is this country or what is this country or what is this country. I don't know them exactly. Then what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna here add data labels. With my data labels, only I have numbers. Then what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna format data labels. Then I need to go to category name, change this numbers to the category name. Then I have this country came to me. For example, I have China, I have India. Now, this my selection or this algorithm that apply to name the countries or name the countries in the continent gonna gonna be validate with all my selection. For example, if I selected South Africa again, now I have Libya, Egypt, Algeria. If I select North America again, then I have Canada and United States. Then, for example, I need to do more formatting for my data. For example, I need to change the colors. I don't like this color, then I need to change this color for example, uh, this color. Now, my not selected data or not selected area with a different color. For example, I need to go back to North Africa, to Africa. Then I have all the map. I have only Algeria, Libya, Tunisia, Libya, Algeria, Egypt as well. Here is Tunisia, but because it's very small, there's no name written here. Now, for example, if I need to change the type of my data visualization, then I need to go to this one and say only the region with the data, or sometimes I need to say only multiple countries region, or I'm going to say full map or the world map. And this is my data visualization for map. How can we make this map dynamic instead of static, and also to build more information about our selection. For example, here for all map, I'm going to select South America. Now South America came here. I need to select North America, or North America is here. And if I need to change this type to another type, just I need to click this and go to return that with my specific selection. For example, here I need to go to my borders or some. Now everything clear with this map. If you have any question or you have any information you want to know, just type your question in my video, and and if you have any comment, just write down in my video. Thank you and have wonderful day.